Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, quick video on Dad's GMC 2500HD. Last video we did headlights and the grill on this thing, and I think they look awesome. Only issue we're having is there is moisture in this light, but I'm sure these are the cheapest lights they could find. You can easily upgrade those if you want. Still haven't hooked them lights up, but eventually I'll get that switch box probably, and I'll hook it up. Probably get some ditch lights too, just like I did on mine, and we'll hook them up at the same time. But anyway, this video, I've got something for the grill. Got a new GMC badge. Now this grill is not designed to have any kind of badge on it, but I think I was going to do this shortly after I did the grill, but I think the GMC emblem in this grill is going to look awesome. I picked this up on Amazon, I believe. I'll link everything, guys, like I normally do. This is actually for the stock grill, and you can see it's got clips on it that hold it in the stock grill. I'm going to have to modify this to work in this grill. I think I'm going to end up cutting off the clips, and I'm going to use these. These are line-up pins, I think, is what they really are. Use the line-up pins. I'll put a little nut on them, hold it on there, maybe some double-sided tape on the ends to hold it on there. Hopefully it'll stay on there. But yeah, I think I'm going to center it up in the center here, and I think it's going to look really good. It's going to make that grill, I think, look even better. So I got to get going. I'm going to start, well, I'm going to think a little bit, then I'm going to probably cut those tabs off, and then I'll show you how I put this thing on. Okay, so I'm getting this thing ready to go on the grill. I've cut off all the clips that secure it to a factory grill. I just used cut off wheel right here, and pretty much ruined this beautiful emblem. Anyway, I've got double-sided tape on the ends, and I've double stacked that because it does indent into it. And then, like I said, I'm going to use these alignment pins, and I'm going to install one of these nuts. Now I forget what they call these, but I'll link what I got. I've got a whole pack, and they got all different sizes. This is the smallest size. It's going to go on this stud, and it basically, as you turn it on, it'll cut threads into the plastic. That's how they used to install these emblems, was with these with a little plastic stud and those nuts. You can see I've done one of them, and it's cut threads into it. So that'll hold it onto the grill for the most part. I might put a bigger washer before I put this on the studs there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get this thing over there. I'm gonna figure out where it's gonna go and start installing this. So I'll be back once it's done, guys. Well, there we go, guys. Pardon the terrible rainstorm in the background. Looks like it's about to come down here. But anyway, I think that looks awesome. There's a little finishing touch there. Dad didn't like that the GMC was gone. Anybody that knows these trucks, you know, would know what it is. But he wanted to have the GMC badge put on. Kind of wish I would have went with the red one. They have different colors. Like I said, I'll link this one, but they have different colors. The red probably would have stood out, you know, with the red of his truck. kind of was thinking of, you know, going the blackout look. That's why I got the black and chrome one. But yeah, I think it's gonna work out really good. I was worried the GMC up high would look weird, but I see now the newer trucks, the GMC Emblem is on the top side of the grill. So I guess it's going along with the theme of the newer trucks. And going down the road, this almost looks like a new truck now with the newer daytime running lights. And then the newer rims and stuff, it really gives this older truck an updated look, although it's not that old. Actually, you know what? It's 7-8 years now, ain't it? 7-8 years old, but it doesn't look it anymore. But yeah, Dad seems to like the headlights. I haven't upgraded them to LED or anything, but he does a lot of night driving, and they seem to be okay. So I like it, guys. A little detail there that I like. So I guess, guys, it's gonna do it for this one. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll see you.